Hey guys, welcome back. I'm going to teach you how to make chocolate Easter eggs. This requires no mold and just 3 ingredients. It is super easy and fun to make with children and for children. And in my house, even the adults love it. So let's get cooking. The first thing about the Easter egg is I am going to use Oreo biscuits. Oreo is one of my favorites. I think it has a fantastic color, has a very good flavor, and the white interior makes it so special. I'm going to use this as my base for the Easter eggs. So to start off, I'm going to blitz these Oreo cookies, Oreo biscuits in the food processor. I've got a manual one here. It's a tiny quantity, so I don't need a large, powerful food processor. I'm going to use this simple manual one. What I have formed here is basically like a crumble. It turns into a very fine kind of a crumble. Not really fine, but crumbly, but very light crumble. The base for the egg is also going to be cream cheese or soft cheese, which is brought to a room temperature so it becomes soft and easy to fold in. So just lightly mash the cheese in the bowl. If you want to use paneer, you can use paneer. If you want to use ricotta, you can use ricotta, even that would work. Or you want to use thick cream, even that would work. But if you're using any kind of liquid stuff, then you need to add more of the crumbs. In goes the Oreo crumbs. All of it goes in. And all you do is now mix it very gently. So you want to basically form something like a dough. What I'm going to also add is one of my favorites, and that is coconut. I'm going to add generous quantity of desiccated coconut. Now these are not roasted, these are plain desiccated coconut, but it gives a very nice mouthfeel. When it's all done, you have to get your hands a little dirty. There, the mixture is all set. Now the best way to make this into an egg shape is between your hands. So take a tiny quantity of the mixture in your hand and lightly roll it into a ball. And once you roll it into a ball between your two hands, you have then shape it like an egg. So open your hands like a V shape, V for Vineet, V for victory. Then you make it into an egg shape. There you go. Get it? That's one. We're going to do the same thing with the balance mixture. Now if for some reason the mixture gets too soft, or the cheese makes it too soft, you can either add more Oreo crumbs to it, or put it into the fridge for around 10 minutes for it to firm up and get hard. The Oreo eggs are all ready. They are quite soft, and you see all this fat from the cheese has come onto the hands. Now because they are soft, if I dip them into chocolate, it will not really set well. So I am going to keep them in the fridge for around 25 to 30 minutes for them to harden up, and then you're going to dip it into chocolate and make it like a chocolate egg. The Oreo eggs are all set. They have firmed up. You look at that, they have become quite firm. So the cheese has become hard, and that's what I was looking for. Now the trick is, how do you shape it or give it a coating of melted chocolate? I've got dark melted chocolate here, and all I've done is I've put them in the microwave for around 30 seconds on 2 spurts. So 30 seconds, take it out, stir it with a spoon, put it back in the microwave, and again 30 seconds till the chocolate melts and it becomes nice and smooth. Now to coat the eggs, use a fork. We're going to use this fork, and I'm going to dip in my Oreo eggs into the chocolate and lightly glaze the whole thing with chocolate. And then with a fork, lift it up. Now what that does is all the extra chocolate which is on the Oreo egg falls back into the melted chocolate below. So you get a very even kind of a coat. You don't want it too heavy with chocolate. So literally try and drain off as much as you can. Let that slide through. With the next one, the Oreo egg inside the melted chocolate, lightly glaze it with chocolate, and tap out all the extra chocolate back into the bowl. I'm going to use a second fork to spoon that out. This one, the third one, chocolate has been coated on the eggs, and now it is time to garnish them. On top of the chocolate, I'm going to sprinkle some sesame seeds, 2 of them with sesame seeds, 1 with some cashew, lastly these 2, I'm going to put little drops of lemon icing. these will go back in the fridge for another 10 minutes for them to become nice and firm. The chocolate Easter eggs are now ready. So we have one with the lemon icing, we have the cashew, and we have the sesame seeds. It's time to put it all together. So one sesame, and I'm going to put the lemon, cashew, and lastly one more sesame. So there we have it. That's our Easter Oreo chocolate eggs. One topped with sesame, one with roasted cashew, and the last one with lemon icing. Make sure you try them at home and don't forget to share it with your friends, and don't forget to tag me. Until next time, happy cooking and happy Easter. Wow.